Hi guys, back again, and unboxing the newly released Pixel 3a and 3a XL. I got the Pixel 3a XL in clearly white and the standard 3a in purplish. Let's get straight into unboxing. So this is the low-end budget device Google released. The cheapest price is starting at $399. This phone doesn't even come with earbuds despite having a headphone jack, but you do get a charger cord, brick, and adapter for data transfer. It's the standard fare. Physically, there isn't a huge difference between 3a and the regular 3. The 3a does look a bit more like a toy, as the back panel is completely plastic and doesn't have the same high quality feel that glass or metal gives. Unfortunately, this means this phone cannot handle water too well, and there's no wireless charging, which is a significant downgrade and inconvenient, especially if you're used to the wireless charging all the phones come out with nowadays. But Google didn't forget about the fingerprint reader on the back of the phone, so not everything has been taken away. Let's take our victories where we can. The screen of the Pixel 3a is actually made from Dragon Trail glass, which claims to be similar to Gorilla Glass in most scale-up hardness. The 3a has 5.56-inch display and 3a XL is a 6-inch display. The phone itself is larger as there is significant amount of bezel at the top and bottom of the phone, taking up most of the space. Now, I've been seeing people calling the Pixel 3a a camera phone, for a very good reason too. There is only a single rare camera on this phone, but this camera is still pretty good at 12.2 megapixels, which is the same as the higher-end Pixel 3. Just at a glance, the photos I took are very sharp and saturated with color, and it's very easy to see all the little details. You can even put the filters on your pictures straight from the phone to just spruce it up a bit, but your pictures might not even need you to manually choose a filter. Despite being a cheaper Pixel phone, the 3a does just about everything the Pixel 3 does, including top shots that try to capture the best photo automatically. The picture taken with motion edits the picture to make it the best version of itself. It also comes with all other settings like night vision and slow motion. Comparing it to Apple's budget phone, the iPhone XR, with a nearly $400 price difference, we can see that the regular 3a is about the same size with the same camera. Of course, iPhone XR has a bit more stuff going for it, like actual wireless charging, whatever floats your boat. I think the Pixel 3a is a great phone if you're working on a tight budget. The Google Assistant is so good and the camera is great. Of course, there are factors that might turn you off, like lack of wireless charging. All in all, Google did come out with a solid phone at affordable price, which you gotta respect. Thanks for watching, see you next time. Bye!